What's up guys, welcome to the channel. So the first week of 2021, I went out to visit my hometown and some of my best buds out in California. My guy Duncan recently got a 2020 M2 competition, and as a guy who's recently getting into cars, I was very excited by that and happy for him and wanted to come see it and do some shooting and filming and all this stuff. So kind of a conglomeration of that. This first episode is going to be a combination of my first 2 days out there. From the airport, went and grabbed some tools, and then went home to install a wheel stud conversion kit on the M2, and then install some spacers, 10.5 millimeters in the front, 7.5 in the back from Turner Motorsports. We took 2 days because we had to go pick up the rears at Porsche, where Dunk works, and that was awesome because I got to bring the camera and get some great shots of new Porsches. Their showroom is just fantastic. Kind of a fun little day. A little peek at the new 911 Turbo S. And again, I'm new to the car game, so you might hear Dunk explaining the builds we're looking at or more basic car concepts and stuff like that, and that's pretty much for me. Authentically just into cars his whole life, and so he's kind of imparting some of that knowledge onto me. It may seem a little basic, but for me it's some genuine learning, and hopefully you guys can learn something out of it too. Sorry for any wonky like focus and filming stuff. This was like my first trip with this new camera and I'm learning, but other than that, enjoy the episode.
Steely? It might be tripping, but the front feels softer. Like, it does feel different. It does? I think it does. Good. I think I like it. Good. I'm trying to be my own giver. I'm kind of a pussy being on 5 out of 10. Whatever. We just crank this bitch to 10. This thing? Let's see. Oh yeah, here, this thing. Bob tune. It's funny how people see the camera, you think they want to fucking while out. I wonder if that guy even looked over. He's just, a lot of people just like stare straight.
Flexing his dick with his blow off valve. Just has his driver window down like
Three, one, vato. Where this fat is. They made this Boxer GTS this year. Okay. This has the same fucking engine as the GT4, but it looks like nothing. It just says 4.0 at the front.
all they did was sick.
I drove it a couple days ago. It's a completely sleeper GT4. Or Boxer Spyder, I would say. Revs to like, it's half or 8,000.
Nice.
Linear power band. I like the front grill. You can see like right into the cooling areas.
Oh yeah, this fucking dip in here. Ooh, this thing's nice, dude.
Yeah, it's got LED headlights.
This looks mean, dude.
Really mean.
Yeah, yours doesn't. It doesn't have the cuts in the.
No, but look at these are the big boy brakes, dude. Carbon ceramic.
Oh! Sheesh! Look at that thing, dude. That is a nice color too with these rims.
Yeah, BMW signature. Their carbon ceramics are always gold calipers.
You know what? He doesn't have the spinny boys.
That's true. Taillights are pretty cool. All of these are OLED, and they like sequential. So when the blink rate goes from right to left.
Oh yeah, like
scales. Everything on this car is stock. This car is like
this thing.
less than
Look at this. Look at this thing. Carbon. This thing's nice, dude.
Look at the dish on these wheels. Especially the rear. Let's check the seats too.
Oh man.
Bro, that is good.
Nothing, of course. Holy crap, these are the diamond on there?
I like this brand. Pretty sweet.
It sound right, boys.
Oh, baby. Hey.
That's just the Carrera, isn't it? It has red brakes. It could be an S.
That was my favorite car. It was my favorite bridal.
718 Spyder. So that's a convertible version of the GT4.
Oh my goodness, that's a good color on there.
It works pretty good on a track-oriented car like that, I would say.
With sporty sport. Stickers on there and
Is that our
everything.
first turbo? What's that? Is that our first turbo?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Probably already sold, right? All yellow everything.
Tony, I can't close this door.
I didn't notice this last time.
You're already ruining the door.
I'm not the biggest fan of these wheels.
Look at that boy.
You like Caymans?
I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You like those better?
Yeah. See you guys.
Beche party.
Bro, this, how do they do this with this on the rear, bro? What? I can't reach that hole. I would want to say, went to the left. Because I went from here to here. I suppose I could remove this fender liner, since I have the tool, to get some more leverage room, right?
Yeah.
So this thread is not cracked. Really? That means like the beginning thread on the wheel stud wasn't made like perfect. Can't hand paint it.
Sound right, boys.
Fuck yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like the content. See you guys back here for video number 2, where we'll check out the M2 stance and do some driving.